Welcome home. I'm Joss Burgess, realtor with the Dan Plowman team, and super stoked to share our home for sale. Located here at 14701 Wilson Avenue, located in Nestleton. We've got acreage, custom-built bungalow, 2 years young, 3-car garages, and so much more. Check it out. This custom-built 2-year-old bungalow has attention to detail everywhere. Multiple walkouts. We have the garage entry with the mudroom and laundry. We have the main front entry. We have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on the main floor, and this gorgeous open space with cathedral ceilings and a chef's kitchen. Right from the start, I'll keep chasing you until you melt my heart. The awesome finishes don't stop there. Check out this gorgeous great room with the cathedral ceilings, exposed wood beam, glass railings, dining spot, and check out that beautiful fireplace. Favorite ice cream, such a shame that you're playing just a game, playing just a game, playing just a game. Imagine cooking and entertaining in this gorgeous chef kitchen with magazine quality finishes, gas stove with your pot filler, so many windows to let in the natural light, gorgeous countertops, built-in oven and microwave, and check this out, your fridge. Welcome to the primary of your dreams. Tons of built-in cabinetry, a walkout to a private deck with hot tub and fire pit, and a spa-like ensuite. Check it out. Next to each other, baby, but we never really did. Travel together, no, we should have known right from the start. I'll keep chasing you. The magazine quality finishes continue throughout the lower level here. It's so much more living space. We have a wet bar, oversized windows, fireplace, living space, gym area, 2 more bedrooms, and a full bathroom. Tons of storage. Guess what else? Garage access. Thanks so much for taking this tour of our home for sale at 14701 Wilson Avenue in beautiful Nestleton. Any questions or a private showing, call the number above and click below, subscribe so you can keep up to date on all our homes for sale.